2021 and College Counselling Documents. Joint Entrance Exam Rank Card, Mains and Advanced. Joint Entrance Exam Admit Card, Mains and Advanced, if possible of all rounds of this current year. JOSAA Medical Certificate, signed by Registered Governor Medical Doctor Officer. Central Government Issued Certificate, with STO SDM DM Commissioners TEHSHILDARS First Class Stipendiary Officers, etc. To be issued in JOSAA format. State government issued may be rejected, for example. In BIHAR if only signed by Circle Officer, Co. Anchal Adhikari Revenue Officer, Row, Block then it may be rejected, but if also signed by SDM STO then it is accepted, if it is in Central Gov format. OBC's NCL, EWS, SC Cent PWD's certificate, signed by appropriate officers. Family Income Certificate, Parents Student. Get it countersigned by STO SDM DM, to be in safe side. Residence Certificate. Residence Certificate. All the Note, first the state government would issue in state government format, then using these certificates, central government would issue the certificate in central government format. Then use this certificate to issue in JOSAA format, then get this certificate signed by higher authorities like STO, SDM, DM, collector, etc. for this to be accepted in counseling. For OBC, NCL, EWS, SC Cent PWDs. Affidavits. Gap Affidavit. Student Anti-Ragging. Parent Anti-Ragging. Admission Affidavit. May require X certificates, mark sheet, passing certificates, transfer SLC certificates, migration provisional certificates, character certificates, admit card. May require 12 certificates, mark sheet, 12 passing improvement, in case improvement given. May require both improvement and 12th mark sheet. Passing certificates, vertical bar. State Code of Eligibility Proof. Migration certificates, provisional certificates. Transfer CLC certificates. Character certificates, if not given or not latest then, get Acharan Praman Patra character certificate issued by SP. Admit card, may require JOSAA registration cum locked, filled choices PDF. JOSAA seat acceptance letter online reporting fee proof. College finalized freeze college final college admission letter with payment proof. College medical certificate, finalized college format. College registration PDF, at finalized college admission, at their particular sites. All fee payment proofs by banks. Cancel check. For refund. Photograph passport. Students, parents, guardians, governor IDs. Note, all documents print out and soft copy must be ready. May ask for different sized documents. For example, files under 200 kilobits.